everyone. Today I want to do a pour with Valentine colors. So let's start with the white. And these paintings, except for the magenta, they all are just mixed with paint and medium. And the medium I use is just latex primer and water. 45% primer, 55% water. And now what I'm just doing is I'm using the light pink to create a little bit of color background. So at this point, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm using the paddle technique, puddle technique. I don't want to make too big of the puddles. I want a lot of small puddles to see what comes out of them. But as you can see, the consistency, the viscosity over there in the video looks a little bit thicker than it is. The viscosity is about warm honey, and it's very light, and it doesn't need really need heat to sell up. And so I'm looking forward to see what this pour is going to bring. So right now, just adding colors. You already know the technique, but what I want to see is how the colors react with just the medium and the paint. Only the magenta has a dimethicone, as you can see there, is already reacting with the background white that I have. See, cells already are forming up. And so, see, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is what I love about fluid art, guys. It's just, we never know what's gonna come up. But whatever it is, it's just fascinating. So I'm just keep adding the puddles, and I'm making, incorporating neon pink in it, white, red, and magenta. And I am just having fun with it. Actually, I like it the way it is right now, but I understand there is a lot of paint. So I'm gonna have to do something to thin it out so that it doesn't crack when it dries. So I'm loving what I'm seeing, and at this point I'm just adding a little bit of white in the center just to create harmony with the background. But other than that, I wish I could just leave it like that. I swear, I really like it. But anyway, it is what it is, and we gotta do what we gotta do. So part of the things that we gotta do is to tilt it or somehow reduce the paint. So there it is. Since my formula is on the thin side, as I said, I'm just going to blow, as you can see there, to start expanding or start getting the cells to react. Okay. So this is 15 minutes later, and as you can see, it has run a lot and created its own pattern. So in order to make it a little bit better, in my opinion, of course, I'm going to swipe it, and I will show you how it looks when it dries. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before anything, I just want to let you know that I'm cooking some dinner, so you might hear some boiling sounds in the background. But other than that, I just wanted to show you the pour already finished and varnished. And just as you saw before, I just used the palette knife to swipe some of the areas where there was a lot of muddiness in there, and I used a toothpick in here to create this kind of design in it. When I saw some like just paint in there, just one solid color, so I just tried to bring it out a little bit to create some more of a design. All right. Other than that, thanks for joining me in this project. Until next time, keep pouring.